In order for the windshield wipers to work effectively, you need to inspect the wiper blades and wipe them down periodically. If they leave streaks or no longer clean adequately, they may need replacement. When replacing the blades, turn the engine off. Within 20 seconds, lift the wiper switch to mist and hold for 2 seconds. With the blades in the up position, raise the wiper arm. Open the wiper blade clip and pull the blade down to detach it. Install a new blade in the reverse order. If a hidden rear wiper is equipped, use the same method to move the rear wiper to the down position. Raise the wiper arm, lift and pull the blade to detach it, then replace it with a new blade. After replacing a blade, turn the engine on and operate the wipers once to make sure they operate correctly. Clean, clear, and confident. Now that you can replace the wiper blades, drive safely